Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DoorDash Crimson card keeps getting declined when you're trying to pay during a delivery, it can quickly turn into a stressful situation, especially when you're standing at the store or restaurant waiting to complete the order. This issue usually doesn't happen randomly. It's often connected to things like order syncing problems, app delays, incorrect usage, or temporary card authorization issues. Many Dashers assume their card is faulty, but in most cases, the problem is related to how the app and the order are communicating in real time. Understanding this makes it much easier to fix the issue without panic or wasted time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to resolve the decline problem. Try these. 1. Check that your phone has a stable internet connection, so the order details sync properly. 2. Refresh the DoorDash app by closing it completely and reopening it. 3. Confirm that you have tapped Arrived at Store or the correct step before making the payment. 4. Use the Crimson card only for the exact order amount without adding extra items. 5. Make sure location services are turned on so the app verifies your position correctly. 6. Contact DoorDash support through the app if the card still gets declined after these steps.